We have a question here and the question says prove that. So we have here a equation which we need to prove. Equation is cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to cos inverse 33 by 65. So this is our question. So in our order the solution of this question, first of all we will let here cos inverse 4 by 5 is equal to, let's take any variable, I'm taking here alpha. So we will get cos alpha is equal to 4 by 5. And now our value for the cos alpha is 4 by 5 and this will lie in the first quadrant as this is less than greater than 0. So now what we will do here, next we will find here our value for cos alpha, we will find our value for sin alpha. Now, so now as per the formula, we will put here for sin alpha in the terms of cos alpha. So we will put here sin alpha is equal to square root 1 minus sin square alpha. Let's put down here our value which is 1 minus 4 by 5 to the whole square. So we will get our value for sin alpha will be equal to, after solution of this, we will get 3 by 5. So now with the same find here cos inverse second term is 12 by 30. We will take that equal to beta. So beta will be the same way cos beta is 12 by 13. Again it is in first quadrant. So now sin beta will be obtained by within the square root 1 minus square beta. I'm sorry for this mistake. This is cos. This is the value of cos again. So here 1 minus 12 by 13 to the whole square. So when we simplify, we will get here 5 by 13, which is the value of sin beta. So we have obtained our value for cos alpha and then sin alpha. After that cos beta and sin beta. So now we can use our formula which is cos alpha plus beta. So this is cos A plus B formula. We can write here cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha multiplied by sin beta. So here we have to place our values. Cos alpha is 4 by 5. Cos beta is 12 by 13. Now minus 3 by 5 which is sin alpha multiplied by sin beta which is 5 by 30. So when we simplify 5 and 5 will be cancelled and here the next line will be, when we simplify this, we will get here 33 by 65. So here cos alpha plus beta is equal to 33 by 65. Therefore, alpha plus beta will be equal to cos inverse 33 by 65. So therefore, we can say if you place here value of alpha which is cos inverse 4 by 5 and that was taken as alpha and cos inverse 12 by 13 which we have taken as beta. So when we substitute these two values on the place of alpha plus beta, alpha is cos inverse 4 by 5 added by beta which is cos inverse 12 by 30, that is equal to cos inverse 33 by 65. So here is the proof of the given question. This is part 2.